What's up, Snapchat? It's going to be another beautiful day. Another beautiful day. What are you doing today? Are you working for someone else? Are you working for your dreams? Yo, Snapchat. Are you fucking sleeping or grinding at 7 o'clock? You know I didn't go to bed till, I always go to bed till like 12, 1 o'clock. It's grind time, man. Yo, what are you going to do with your 24? Are you going to celebrate? You should. It's all you got. Get it. St. Patty's Day's coming up. You can tell I'm Irish. Get it? Yo, so I'm late for my appointment. What are you doing with your 24 hours? Me, I celebrate every day, man. This is life. Fuck yeah. Yo, are you having fun at your job? I am. No, seriously, what are you doing with your 24 hours? That's all you got. See, I'm having fun. Life is short. Don't play around. No life is guaranteed. Next stop. Hustling. Party on. Work on. I love what I do. Yo, life, you have 20. I'm a maniac. I'm not on any drugs. I just live. See, you take life too serious. You need to chill out and not be so serious. Be more foolish. Live foolish. Explore. Say hi, Snapchat. Hi, Snapchat. Get it? Yeah. Life is short, man. Enjoy your life. It's short. I'm at work. Yeah, coming on in. No, seriously, what are you doing with your 24 hours? That's all you got. See, I'm having fun. Life is short. Don't play around. No life is guaranteed. Over here. Happy St. Patrick's Day. Say hi, Snapchat.
Hi. Snapchat.
Say hi, Snapchat.
No.
Yeah, hi, Snapchat.
No.
Hi, Snapchat.
Hi, Snapchat.
Happy St. Patrick's Day.
Happy St. Patrick's Day. Oh, excuse me.
Can't you find out how to get your photos up?
Let me take the picture now.
God, thank you. Where'd your finger in there? God, thank you. Where'd your finger in there?
Yo, I seen him on the street now. I see Felix in here. Yeah.